In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Figma to Lovable step by step 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a Figma design and hand it off to Lovable using the Builder.io plugin. Start by opening your design file in Figma, the one you want to move into Lovable. Make sure you're in the design view and that the frame or page you plan to export is clearly selected. A quick tip here, name your top-level frame something meaningful and keep your layers organized. Clean structure helps the export map your layout more reliably on the Lovable side. Next, head to the main menu in Figma at the top left. From there, hover over Plugins to open the Plugins submenu. Choose Manage Plugins. This opens a panel where you can run any plugin available to your account. If your workspace uses restrictions, you might need permission to access certain plugins. In the Manage Plugins view, use the search field to look for the Builder.io plugin. When you see Builder.io, click Run. If you don't see it listed, you may need to add it to your Figma first, then return here and run it. Once the plugin launches, it will scan your current file and the selection you've made. If nothing is selected, it may prompt you to pick a frame. For best results, export a single primary frame rather than a group of nested frames and avoid locked layers you don't intend to include. Inside the Builder.io plugin, locate the export option and choose Classic Export. Classic Export is a reliable, broadly compatible mode that preserves layout and common components cleanly. Depending on your file size, this processing step can take a moment. Keep Figma open while it works and don't navigate away from the frame during export. When the export is ready, you'll see the option to Export in Lovable. Click that. This hands off the package design to Lovable so you can continue building, refining, or wiring up interactions there. If you're already signed into Lovable in your browser, the handoff should be seamless. If not, simply complete sign-in when prompted and return to the export flow. If something doesn't look right after the transfer, revisit your Figma frame. Check constraints, auto layout settings, and text styles. Small adjustments in Figma often resolve layout surprises on export. Also, keep the Builder.io plugin up to date, as updates frequently improve handling of components. That's it. Open your Figma file, run Builder.io from the Plugins menu, choose Classic Export, and finish by exporting to Lovable. You're connected and ready to build.